All right, what's going on? It's your boy Rod Williams. I want to thank you for landing on the video. Now, like I promise you all the time, I'm going to give you strategies to help you grow your business. Now, this one in particular is one of the strategies I use that I don't have to go out here and stand out in the hot sun and pass out flyers and talk to a lot of people with. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. So, the strategy is every door direct mail, which is my powerhouse every door you see campaign. Now today I got two of these in the mail, one from Domino's and one from a dentist place, which I'm showing you this because big businesses use this on everybody every day. So if you're running a business, you have to start thinking like a business. You have to start thinking like a corporation. So what I'm going to show you is these every door direct mail postcards, okay? You see them all the time. They come to your house, whether it's for cable or whatever the case may be. But what you didn't know was that you can actually go to USPS.com and they'll show you. So let me do this from scratch because so you can understand. You go to USPS.com, you go to the business tab, you scroll down and you click every door direct mail. When you do that, and I created this account new so I can show you from scratch when you're starting off how you're going to be doing this when you employ this into your business. But guys, look, let me tell you something. I don't go out here in the hot sun and talk to nobody, pass out no fly. I don't do that. I get the mailman to do that for me, okay? So when you go to USPS, you'll be able, first, create your account and stuff, but you'll be able to select different areas. Like they'll pull up a lot of different zip codes, okay, in your area. So I can click on any one of these areas and they'll pull up different stuff. Like as you can see for this, it's 769 total addresses for that route that you can hit. And you're only paying $100, $136 for that. So that's almost 800 people and you paying $100 and some bucks. That's not bad for every door direct mail campaign. So let's just go here. You click one. They allow you to set the date where you want to drop off and all that. You pick the date you're going to drop it off. And they give you your total, how much, which was actually cheaper than what they said on the first page. So you can pay at the post office, pay online or whatever. And from there, they'll be actually, sending you the information that you need, confirmation and stuff like that. So I'm not going to send that, but I'm just showing you that because that's going to be the primary strategy for that. Now let me show you something else. Now you get your every door direct mail campaigns. Now you not just going to go on Google and say, oh, well, let me just find the campaign, right? So let me show you what I actually do when I create. It's a website called canva.com, okay? And what this website does is it allows you to make all type of business art, flyers, postcards, logos, book covers, all that stuff for yourself. So let me just show you one of the flyers I did. And I actually did this going every door direct mail. So, because what I teach people in marketing is whatever business you're in, you're not going to use that card having that logo of your business all over the card with everything that everybody else has. You're not going to do that. What I teach people is how to use direct response marketing principle, which means putting words on paper, media, video, whatever, to make people take an action. Now, as you can see on this postcard, I say this flyer makes me whatever every day. right here from my dining room table. And I'm getting them to text me flyer income to 480-667-3534, because when they text me, that's a way of me tracking the people who's coming into my business. You text me, I got your phone number, so I can be able to hit you up at any time, and you hit me up for info. So when they do that and they actually text me, I reply back to them, not with a script that somebody gave me or something like that. It's going to be of me talking to them like a regular person, saying, hey, thank you for contacting me. I'm glad that you did. Let me show you the strategy that I've been using to help me. And I actually teach them something. So you definitely, like I say, you want to go get that .com secrets book, like I've been recommending to everybody, because if you don't have that book, you're not going to be able to understand the different ways that you can take your business to the next level in this bottom line. But this is just one of the strategies that I promised that I wanted to give you, to show you how I recruit so many people, and I don't ever have to go around in my neighborhood passing this stuff out. I don't. You're not going to see me out there going around handing out flyers to people. That's just not what I do. So that's what I wanted to share with you, one of my strategies. Now, when you get the book, you will be invited personally by me to join my masterclass, where I be teaching people how to go from $0 to 6 figures, bottom line, in a year. So you definitely don't want to miss that. You want to be connected with me. So whenever you're watching this video, find a way to contact me and get back with me, because if you want to sign up for that class, it's going to be detrimental to your business, okay? But this is one of the techniques I wanted to show with you. Go ahead, put your name and email in the box, and go ahead, and I'll see you on the next page. All right, with that being said, it's your boy Rod Williams. I hope you really got a little value from what I just shared with you, because this technique alone it's allowed me to take my business from me going out here talking to my family and friends, trying to do these meetings and have little cold cut sandwiches for people when they come, to not having to chase people down. Like, I became the hunted. Like, people was coming to me. So I definitely want to transfer that to you. So just take my advice, do what I'm saying doing, and you should be ready to rock and roll. With that being said, it's your boy Rod Williams, and I'll see you later. Peace.